Hello, it is Indy Meets Disney. I'm Cedric.
I'm Katie.
And we have a good friend today with us. And we are here at Pecos Bill's Cafe and Inn. We have some 50th anniversary treats and meals we're going to try out today.
Yeah, we love Pecos Bill's. It's one of the places we come back every time we're here at the Magic Kingdom. So come along with us and see what we grab.
All right, let's go do this. So I just want to show you real quick the two meals we're going to be trying. So this 1971 meal and then this Big Owl as well. And then we're also be sampling the 50th anniversary dessert. So back in the day, Pecos Bill's used to have all of this as toppings. You put all the toppings you wanted on your nachos or tacos or whatever. Fortunately, that's not an option anymore, but that was one of the things I really loved about Pecos Bill's that you could do. From Pecos Bill's, I got this 1971 meal. And it includes a beef nachos, so it came with beef on top, cheese, and it also came with a side of lettuce and tomatoes and also some salsa to put on top, so that looks great. It also came with a side of yellow rice, and it came with a drink. It also came with this nice addition of a cake pop that is in the iridescent colors to celebrate the 50th anniversary. And guess how much it was? Of course, $19.71. How appropriate for a 1971 meal. So this looks great, ready to dive in and give it a try.
So I got the Big Owl. It is a 50th anniversary meal. It was $14.99. It comes with a bacon double cheeseburger. It has lettuce and tomato on the side, so you can put it on just like the nachos. It comes with whiskey barbecue sauce as well and bacon. It looks really good. I'm excited to dig in and try it. I also got chips as a side. They have tons of sides you can pick from, and I decided to get chips.
All right, we started diving into our food, and we just want to talk about it a little bit. So what do you think of your burger and your chips?
The burger is very good. It's a double burger, and I really like double burgers. It comes with a lot of cheese on it, and it's got a good amount of bacon. It gives it that extra kind of like crunch. But it didn't come with the barbecue sauce. I'm very disappointed about that. I really wanted to try the barbecue sauce. I really like barbecue sauce, and I'm kind of disappointed. So, yeah.
I know that's kind of the signature of what the burger is supposed to be about, the Big Owl, and that's kind of a bummer that it didn't come with that on there.
Yeah.
So as far as my nachos, the nachos are really good. That's one of the things that I really love about Pecos Bill's is their Mexican food, and it's always usually really good. So I'm enjoying these nachos. The beef and the cheese are really good. The cheese sauce is awesome. It's on here. I'm really disappointed in the rice though. The rice is nothing special about it. It's really dry, so not very good. I pass on the rice for this meal. But like I said, the nachos are definitely the star in this meal. I'm enjoying that a lot. I'm gonna dive into that cake pop here in just a little bit after I get through kind of my main dish and kind of let you know how that tastes. So I'll be back with that here in just a moment. All right, I'm gonna dive in and try this cake pop that I received with my meal as part of the 50th anniversary meal. I will say that when I received my meal, they actually forgot to put this on there, so I had to go back in and get this from the counter. Okay, so this is not bad. It's actually chocolate cake on the inside. Kind of reminds me of like a devil's food cake on the inside. It's a little dry. I don't know, it's not too bad. For a free addition to the meal, it's okay. Definitely not the best thing I've ever had here at Magic Kingdom, but for a free little side, finish to your meal, it's not too bad. I just realized I forgot to mention the flavor of the frosting. So the frosting is kind of just vanilla frosting, just colored to be that iridescent color. It's just a basic vanilla frosting surrounded by that chocolate cake.
And for dessert, we got this 50th anniversary treat. It's called the Teddy Bear's Swing and Short Cake. It's a peach and raspberry truffle. As you can see, the peach and raspberry filling there in the bottom. It's got crumbled cake there in the center. It has the strawberry pearls. You can see that in the center there. Those pink things. And then it also has a flower on top. And a layer of cream. It costs $5.99. Okay, so I've already dug into part of this, but I'll give a bite on camera. There's a lot of good fruity layers in this, and it's a very moist cake. So the strawberry balls that are in here, the pearl cereal balls. I really like those, so they've got a nice crunch to them, which I wasn't anticipating. I guess I should have. But they've got good flavor. I wouldn't necessarily say that they taste like strawberry, but they add a fun little crunch to a kind of a really moist cake. And then everything inside of here is really moist. You can taste the peaches for sure. The raspberries, I'm not getting a huge like flavor of raspberry from it, but I'm sure if I kept digging it would. This is a nice little treat, nice and cool. And I think I would probably get this again. It's not a terrible price either. And it's just a really cute little dessert.
Wrap up our meals here at Pecos Bill. So we had some good stuff to say about them. So what do you think, Jonas, overall about your sandwich and chips?
I thought mine was really good. I was disappointed it didn't come with barbecue sauce. I really wanted to try that. But overall it was pretty good. A little dry, but I would definitely buy that.
Yeah, and I think my 1971 meal wasn't too bad overall. 1971 is a great price for a meal here at Disney. I think the nachos were awesome. The rice was okay, a little dry. And the cake pop wasn't too bad, nice little finish to the meal. And the fact it came with a drink, hey, 19 bucks, can't beat that.
Pretty good deal. And then my little shortcake thing was really good. And I love that it was an ode to Country Bears. And it was a nice, moist, sweet treat. And it was really yummy. I would get it again.
Yeah, so overall, great time at Pecos Bills. So I think we're gonna wrap this video up.
Yes, so thank you so much for watching this video. Take a moment, hit that like button for us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, we will
See you real soon. Bye, guys.